Okay, hello, hello, hello. Been a long time, but this is very important because I don't want people getting scammed by this. Okay, if you go into the news, you'll see AJ has released the epic plushies. On a scavenger hunt, you can go collect them all, find them all. The originals will look like... Oh, so I already found some. So these are the ones from the hunt. Yes. If I look up the real ones, the ones that came out first, they now have a rare tag. So yes, don't get fooled by that. And I'm going to go show you the locations. So we'll start with the panda. Well, that's easy. You go empty server. So you go the panda, you go straight up to Myra. There's a panda there, you click it, and it's 1,000. Okay, they're all 1,000. Then we can go to... Where are they? I think it's... Is this the movie? Ah, they're not in the movies. I really think... See, and it's right there next to the movies. I really think they could have made it a little bit harder. Just... because it's an item that, you know, it's pretty crazy. Then we have... where is that place at the waterfall here? Okay, and then we have... Here? Fox under the waterfall? Yep. We're in the canyons, so I think it's this path. And then you'll find a little bunny. Yeah. Then you want to go... Well, you can't click. So you want to go into this chamber to get Sir Gilbert. See, he appears there. Big tiger plushie. Obviously, the snow area is going to be a penguin. Oh, where was it again? Oh no. See? Right there. The outback. Well, that one. Oh, this one's hidden. So it's under this waterfall right here. There. And then we got to go to the Juno. Into the temple. And up over here. Oh, I went the wrong way. Hang on, have I ever seen that? Here. And there's the croc. So that's the scavenger hunt. And yeah, I'm going to go just see if they act the same as the originals. So put it in the den. Ah, yep. So it does. I wonder if they what's that called? Fox. I wonder if they're the same colour ball. Let's have it. We're gonna compare them. Oh, now I don't know which one's which. Which one's which? I'm gonna move that one over. So that's the rare one. So this is the rare one. So the rare one. I reckon the rare one looks darker in colour on the foot. I don't know. So are they both pink balls? Yep. 4 footprints. So pretty identical, but I still think this foot's darker than that one. Could be just my angle of my computer though, I don't know. So yeah, that's that. What else has come out? Let's have a look, have a look. What was in the news? Oh yes, we've got the Wild Weekend, so camp den items. Peacock, oh the bundle. Oh look, got, oh that crystal-y stuff. Artwork comp, the Scavenger Hunt, you got the Rainbow Raccoons. Okay, what was I gonna do? Wild Weekend, so that would be in the diamond shop. Let's have a look at that. So that bundle's gonna be in there. Where's the... Oh, maybe it's actually the den items. Let's have a look. Shop. Oh, they're here. Okay, because I really want to see if this does something. And I really hope when you click this drone that it will like just fly a little bit at least. That'd be cool. And if you click the robot, it like moves. That'd be... Hopefully it does. Just gonna buy everything. Oh, I'll just buy it. Buy. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Start the drone. It's kind of cool. Okay, now let's see if they do anything. Please do something. Oh, gosh. Let's have a look. Okay, robot does nothing. Drone does nothing. Okay, that's just sad. Because even if you like these things, like, so you got your, remember the den room? Like these are great because you can like interact with them and it gives you something. Or the even the, what are they called? I think it's is it called Village? No. What's it called? Oh, Township. Town. Even these, because if you get like this out, these are like really cute. I'll get them all out. What's that and that one? Okay, because when you click these, like, you click on them. That look, a little ladybug. It like travels around, like that's cute, alright? Does something. And what's this one? What's this one? I swear, I thought this was really a penguin. Okay. But still, you know, it does something. That should be like a fan. That should have been the ladybug, and this should have been like a little penguin. That would have been better, but see what I mean? They do stuff though, it's way better. Oh well, oh well. Oh, another thing is, if we go down to here, it's now a Soul Arcade Den. And you want some hot sauce? Well, here's your hot sauce. It's a non-member. Go. Like, even if you could put this in your den, and then like it gives you like a little cup of hot sauce, and then you like steam comes out your ears, that'll be funny. Like, why is the hot sauce so big? A lot of hot sauce. Let's have a look. I think that was everything I was gonna say. If you don't have, if there's anyone out there that doesn't have gems to buy the epic plushies, I'm happy to buy them for you. Just come and see me. I've got plenty of gems if you don't have any. All the hot sauce. There's no new. So the adventures out is still this. Yeah, see, like the Call of the Alphas, how they brought them books out and that. Like they should bring something out like that. I mean, the Scavenger Hunt was fun, but it doesn't really last long. Why can't I go into Graham? Oh, because I'm not a animal. I've got 4 days left of membership. I have to go back onto Play Wild and yeah, redo it. Graham's Workshop. I'm not going to do it because. So remember, these are the items that you can get. Like the straw, like don't get scammed by these. You get your straw hats and that. They become really they get rare when this adventure goes for a while. People, collectors want them, so it's good to get them. And in here you got the golden, like golden pillows. These become really, people like these when this adventure's been gone for a while. And these, oh, definitely, people love these. So, especially that one. They're pretty popular. But just because some people just don't want to do the adventure too, they're like, so they're just willing to trade for it. I remember the first thing I got was this sword. It took forever. I don't know why, or it just felt like it. That was the first thing I ever got. Oh, I thought this was a player. What does she have to say for herself? Click the workshop benches, then use the guide to see which resources are needed to craft each item. Okay. I have a gold pan. So, if you don't know what you're doing, so gold pan. Okay, so this is where you like water the. Why do we have to hop here? That waters it, doesn't it? So that waters that, and that. Then you'll go get your shovel and you'll dig up the hay. See? I don't have a shovel, but normally it's not too far away. It's the same thing. Oh look, you can go panning here. Oh, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've done this. It used to be so painful because my computer's so laggy, and it's like, oh, yay! I found gold. Oh, do I have previous stuff? How do you look at it? Ooh. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much the pan. What was that for? That was panning. What was that one? Oh, it must have to do with that. What is this? Oh, I really did the panning and the panning and the chiseling to get the stone and that. Okay, so do you get that? Oh, really? I have to do it? Oh yes, I do remember this actually. I'm collecting. Oh, you gotta punch it, that's right. Punch. So yeah. All that punching and I get 5 bamboo. Okay, I can count. It's all good. So that's it. I just wanted to say that about those little epic plushies so nobody gets scammed and they can all find them. If you need some, got no gems and you want me to buy some for you, you're welcome to come see me. And that's all for now. That will be it. Definitely got to do a giveaway very, very soon. So, ciao for now.